Hi! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to get Spotify Premium for free. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So what you're going to do is you're going to head over in the search browser and you're gonna search for Spotify Premium for free. And here on the top, you can get 3 months of Spotify Premium for free. You can choose PayPal from the drop-down at checkout to sign up quickly and secure after trial. You can cancel that anytime. So, to get the free Spotify Premium, you must be choosing PayPal. So, what you're gonna do is press the Start Free Trial. And you need to validate your offer and enter the code that you receive. So what you're going to go to here is go to the accounts. And here, you can get the premium free for 1 month. You can sign out everywhere. Logins. This logs you out of Spotify everywhere you're logged in. So, let's get started. And you should choose PayPal here. And here, you consent to get access to your Spotify subscription immediately. That if you don't cancel before the trial ends, so the trial will be a month after now, you will be automatically charged the subscription fee. So make sure that you canceled it before that day comes. So it says that you will not be entitled to refund on cancellation. So if you want to continue the purchase, just press the continue the purchase. And just follow the instructions. Just enter the email address or the mobile number that is connected to your PayPal. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!